Hey, what's up? I'm Yue. Welcome to your 10-minute dance sesh. It's all about learning some cool moves and getting that heart rate up. So let's start now. You're hammering to your right. 1, 2, kick and scoop 3, back around and 4. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. At tempo. 5, 6, hammer it out. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go again. Hammer, hammer, kick, back. 5, 6. 2 more times. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time. Hammer. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, body roll, hip and hip as you pound your hips left and right. From the top, you went hammer, hammer, kick and back, body roll, hit, hits. From the top, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, body roll, hit, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more times, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. Hammer it out. 5, 6, to your right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, give me a chest pop. 1, 2. As you jump together, walk back 3, 4. So you're jumping. 1, 2, walk back 3, 4. Again, chest pop. 1, 2, step back 3, 4. At tempo, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more times like that. Pop it. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top. 6. Hammer it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Body roll. Hit, hit, hit. Boom. Walk it back from the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Body roll. Left, right. Chest pop. Jump. Back, back. 5, 6. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest pop. In. Step it back. From here, you're going to step back again. Bow and arrow. Release. 5, 6. Step forward. 7. Point up on 8. So you're back. 5. Release on 6. Step with your left. 7. Step back with your right. Point upper right hand. From here. 5. Release 6. Step 7 and point up on 8. Just those 4 counts at tempo. 6, 7, release. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Release and step and up. When you step forward, your hands go back, up to the side from the top. 6. Hammer it out to the right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest pop. Step it back. Release. Ta ta. Up and around. Yes, that's right. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest pop. Boom. Back. Release. Pop, pop. Step and up. From here, give me a hula and a hula. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your right foot is behind. You went doon, doon, ba. Both of those hands go over. Wave it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a 5. Step out with your right. 5, 6, around 7, step 8. Leading with your right leg, lean, 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 step left. From here, you release. 5, 6, 7, 8. Luau. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. From the chest pop. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step it back. 5, 6, 7, point. Wave it out. Wave it out. Step, step, lean, and step. From the top, a little fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Tap. Hit. Take it back. Release. Step. Hula. Hula. Step. Boom. Boom. Tap. Tap. One last time. 5, 6, 7. Hammer. Hit. Hit. Chest pop. Take it back. Release. Step it. Point. Hit. Step it. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, last 8 count. 1, 2. So your hands are going up your booty as you give me a booty wave. Not a body wave, but it's a booty wave. 1, 2. Turn all the way back. Give me a 3 over your shoulder. 3, 4. Come all the way around. So you're here. Booty wave. 1, 2, over your right shoulder, and then come all the way around to the front. Booty wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, slow. 7, booty wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just those 4 counts at tempo. 5, 6, booty wave. 1, 2, boom, pop. 5, 6, 7, 8, hut. Boom, pop. One more time. Booty wave, boom, boom, tap. From the top, 5, 6, hammer, hut. Chest. Release. Point it. Wave. Step. Booty wave here. 1, 2, turn and back. One more time. Like that. Hit. 1, 2. Tap. Hit. Chest. Take it back. Release. Point it up. Hut, hut. Step right. Booty wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 4 counts. Give me a hit, hit, around, and a pull. You're hitting. 5, 6, 7, 8. The 7 and 8 goes really fast. 7, 8. You hit. 5, 6, around, boom, pop. When you come up, as you bring your feet together, pull your elbows up like there's a string attached to the ceiling. Boom, tap. Yes, from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's a pop. Let's put it together from the chest pop. Go. 1, 2, take it back. Release, tap, tap. Step it out. Booty. Hit, boom, boom, around and hit. From the top, put it all together. Hammer. Hit, pop. Point it, wave. Step it out. Booty. Hit, boom, boom, around. 2 more times like that. 5, 6, hammer. Booty. Hit. Pop. One last time, full out. 5, 6. Let's go. Hit. Oh, nice job. Come back for more 10-minute dance routines.